Hey everyone, if you're wondering what kind of charging port the iPhone 16 has, I have the answer for you. If you are upgrading from an older iPhone, this might be a big change, so let's take a look. Step 1. Checking the charging port. The iPhone 16e does not use the old Lightning port. Instead, Apple has switched to USB-C, which means the charging port at the bottom of the phone looks a little wider and is similar to what you see on iPads and MacBooks. If you try plugging in an older Lightning cable, it will not fit, so you will need a USB-C cable instead. Step 2. What you need to charge it. Apple includes a USB-C to USB-C cable in the box, but no power adapter. If you do not already have a USB-C charger, you will need to buy one. A 20 watts USB-C power adapter is the best option since it supports fast charging, letting you go from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. If you have a MacBook charger, you can even use that, and it will work just fine. So the iPhone 16 now has a USB-C charging port, making it more compatible with modern accessories. If you're upgrading from an older iPhone, just make sure you have the right cable and adapter